overnight. My little button repair, where is it? Here. Absolutely works. I'm glad that I was able to save that button, really. And sure enough, on the front, looks fine, he says. And it doesn't drop out, which is the main thing. So next job is to get it all back together and give it a final test. Okay, well, it's all back together. I've given it a clean. It was pretty grubby. I've stuck the knobs through the ultrasonic cleaner, and I've given the aerial a good wipe off. It is starting to shed rubber, that aerial, so I haven't gone mad, but there we are. I'm the wrong way up. So apologies for that. I'm just going to make you dizzy. So let's turn her on. Okay, what are we on there? We're on AM, so let's go to FM. No volume on, but squelch is on minimum, so let's just turn it up. Let's make sure the squelch works. Yes, it does. Right, let's go to 100. Execute. Classic FM. So you can see our execute button that I repaired is working. Let's try it again. So we got 88.1.
Southbound, very slow down towards
Radio
junction 14 in Gloucestershire, and the A361 in Devon is very busy down to South Molton coming from the Barnstable area. Thank you very much for your call on that one. Lorna.
To travel, and now here's the one they're all talking about. It's
Scan.
and Britney Spears.
Let's turn the squelch up.
Worse.
I've inadvertently agreed to go to Newmarket with her for a couple of days by accident.
What? A dirty weekend?
So
No, not at all.
buttons
Probably midweek. And certainly not dirty, perish the thought. No, not that I'll
do
go,
lock
of course.
now, although that one's got a bent stem.
Can this day get any worse?
It will pop up, but you've got to literally.
You did say you wouldn't get angry.
This
Starting
one's
tomorrow.
there. So in normal use, you'd have the buttons popped up anyway. When they're not in use. I mean, this one pushed down is auto squelch. Let's turn that down a bit. If you push that down, it's auto squelch. So if we auto squelch it, I say it's just not quite right. That it's just a little bit bent. So if we scan through now with auto squelch, it should only stop on strong stations.
Hello. I think Famous is very generous.
Okay, just let me hook up to an external aerial and we'll check airband. Okay, so I've got I've got my aerial connected up to it. It's just a VHF UHF amateur radio aerial. Squelch that out, and let's just have a scan through. I mean, it's a fair old bandwidth. This one, it's 108 to 136. So let's push a button. Steps aren't quite right for modern aircraft, but it should pick some stuff up. Bit of a birdie there. But hopefully it'll pick some stuff up. You never know. Depends how many aircraft are up in the sky, doesn't it, really? There's nothing much below 119, actually, so maybe I should have started it on 119, but... Come on, Mr. Pilot, say something. Now that birdie is always there on airband. It's some sort of data noise, so that shows it's working. I have checked AM as well, but so noisy.
Morning, ET19 Whiskey Delta, descending flight level 160, heading 015 degrees.
Oh, wow. I think that proves it works. 125.
Descend flight level 110, ET19 Whiskey Delta.
That's very strong. Squelch is working great.
Heading 005.
Let's scan on a bit further. Oh. Something just tripped it up there. That might be data. Let's just go back a little bit. So you can see it's 25 kilohertz steps. Either we just caught the back end of a conversation or that was just a burst of data. Let's scan on further.
I don't have successful logger. Request your estimate for delivery, correcting retinal, request a maximum per amp flight level.
Interesting. That didn't sound too open, did it? It's usually stuff around 133 as well, so. But not today. Huh. We scan back the other way, there's nothing much above 134. There you are. Anyway, we'll stop that now. It's all working. So there you go. All finished. A lot of work. Our little execute button works fine. It's not going to pop out anytime soon. I mean, if you really graunch it, I suppose you could break the glue, so just have to be careful when you push that, but it works fine. Let's try it again. Direct 100, execute. Yeah, works fine. There you are, all done. So, Sony AIR-7 saved. Thanks for watching.